Okay guys, as you can see, this is a pre-exam for June 2023. So now we're going to do 9.2.4, which is really interesting. I like this kind of problem. It says that we should prove that AP squared plus PC squared is equals to AC squared. So the whole point is you first need to find the segment here and then find the segment here, and then you'll be able to prove this, right? So let's find AP squared. Remember that AP squared we did find actually in the previous question 9.2.2. So we already know that AP squared is equals to AB multiplied by AC. So for this one, we are done. We know it. We can just simply say proven, right? And then for PC squared, let's find PC squared. How do you find PC squared? If you take a look, what's going to help us is this previous similarities. The 9.2.3. This says that triangle APC is similar to triangle CDP. Why am I saying this would help us? This is your PC. Your PC also appears here, right? Oops. This is a PC. This is also PC. So we'll be able to identify PC squared. So the first step, because the priority is PC, right? We want to identify PC. How do we identify it here? We're just going to take this PC. So we're going to say PC, which means if you took the last two letters here, you have to do the same here and choose the last two letters, DP. So just going to say over DP equals to, remember we want to find PC squared. So to find PC squared, we have to, which means here at the bottom, it must be PC, right? So that when you cross multiply, it's going to be PC squared. What do I mean by that? Is, say for example, you have 2 over 1, right? It's equals to, and you want to find 2 squared. So to find 2 squared, let's say for example, it's going to be 3 here, so it's going to be over 2 here. So that when you cross multiply, you have 2 squared is equals to 3, right? So now you have your 2 squared here, which is this one here. The same applies here. So meaning, you know very well that the denominator of this portion should be PC squared. So here it should be PC, so that you have your PC squared, which is a top priority. So now, since you chose PC at the bottom, which comes from here, let me just erase this because we just solved it, which comes from the other side, because this is the other side of the proof of similarities, which is this PC, which means we chose the first and the last, meaning you have to do the same thing here, the first and the last, right? So meaning here it's going to be AC, right? Simple. So then you cross multiply, which means your PC squared is equals to DP multiplied by AC, right? So now this would help you. So what you're going to do is just going to write it down here. Going to say our PC squared is equals to DP multiplied by AC. So this should help us find AC squared. We don't really have to identify AC squared from the similarities, right? We're just going to use these two to find AC squared. Remember that the equation says that AP squared plus PC squared is equals to AC squared. So we want to find this. We want to prove that when you add this and this, it should give you this AC squared here. So what is AP squared? AP squared, it's this here. So just going to write it down. AB multiplied by AC plus, let me put it in brackets like this. And then PC squared, it's this here, which is DP multiplied by AC, right? So we should get AC squared, by the way. So how should we do it? If you see here, what's common? Let me put it in brackets. What's common is AC here and AC here. So we can factorize AC. What remains? It's AB plus DP, right? Remember, we want to find AC squared. So we are close. This is AC, meaning it has to be AC. Whatever that's inside has to be AC. So how can you prove that it's AC? If you take a look at the statement that we were given previously. We were told that CB is equal to DP. So this DP here is equal to CB. They are equal, right? Meaning, and also what you need to note is this is AC. So AC is a combination of AB plus BC or CB, right? Whatever you call it. But if you check, this is AB, right? Which forms part of the AC. Now we need to replace it with this, which means DP, we need to replace it with what? With BC, because they are equal. Both of them are equal according to this statement here. So instead of writing DP, we're gonna write what? We're gonna write BC because it forms what? AC. I hope you guys understand that. So we're just gonna write that down. So we're gonna write AC here into our AB, which is part of the combination of this here. And then instead of writing DP, you're going to write what? BC. So BC. And as this states, it says the combination of AB plus BC gives you what? AC. So we're just going to say AC into AC, right? And then when you multiply both, it gives you AC squared. So you are done proving the left-hand side is equals to the right-hand side. So you are done solving this question here. Thank you so much for watching.